What if I told you there's a business model where you build something once and get paid over and over again, even while you sleep? No shipping, no handling inventory, no customer calls, just pure, passive income. That's the power of digital products. And right now in 2025, it's easier than ever to get started, thanks to tools like Canva, ChatGPT, Notion, and Gumroad. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can make money selling digital products, even if you have zero experience. We're talking about strategies real people are using right now to make $500 to $10,000 per month online. You're watching Money Strategies with Prince, where we share real, scalable income methods for smart entrepreneurs. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Why digital products are so powerful in 2025. Digital products are any goods delivered digitally: eBooks, templates, checklists, online courses, digital planners, stock images, music, Notion dashboards, and even AI prompt libraries. What makes them incredible? No inventory, no packaging or shipping, zero cost to duplicate. You can sell worldwide 100% profit after setup. And now, with AI tools at your fingertips, anyone can create digital products without being a designer, coder, or writer. Step 1. Choose a niche that pays. The key to making real money with digital products is selling to a niche with demand and purchasing power. Here are some of the best digital product niches in 2025. Personal finance, budget templates, debt trackers, investment logs, productivity, Notion dashboards, habit planners, goal journals, AI tools and prompts, ChatGPT prompt packs, workflow guides, social media marketing, Instagram carousel templates, Reels planners, small business, contracts, invoices, Canva brand kits, education, study guides, classroom posters, student planners, mental health and wellness, gratitude journals, meditation logs. Pick a niche you understand, or that you're willing to research, and focus on solving a small but clear problem. Step 2. Decide what type of digital product to sell. Here are the most beginner-friendly and profitable types of digital products: Canva templates, resumes, pitch decks, social media kits, Notion templates, business planners, content calendars, goal trackers, ebooks and guides. Write them with ChatGPT plus format in Canva printable planners, daily planners, wedding checklists, meal plans, AI prompt packs, curated prompts for productivity, content creation, business growth, digital stickers, for good notes, journaling apps, or social content mini courses. Use Loom or Tela to record 3 to 5 short video lessons. Start with one simple product, validate the demand, then expand into bundles or collections. Step 3. Use AI and no-code tools to build your product. Here's where the magic happens. You don't need to design from scratch anymore. Use these tools: ChatGPT, create content, ebooks, workbooks, or prompt packs. Canva, design templates, printables, mock-ups. Notion, build dashboards, journals, or planners. Tela, record mini video courses. Google Sheets, build budget trackers, calculators, or lead trackers. Example: want to sell a freelancer invoice template? Use Canva to design it. Use ChatGPT to write instruction text. Save it as a PDF plus editable link. Upload it to Gumroad with mockups. Step 4. Set up your digital store. Now you need a place to sell. Here are the top platforms. 1. Etsy. Great for printables, planners, templates. Built-in audience, low startup cost. 2. Gumroad. Great for digital files, prompt packs, guides. One-page checkout. Perfect for beginners. 3. Payhip. Global sales support, free plan available. Great for bundles or courses. 4. Shopify Plus digital download plugin. Best if you want full control and custom branding. 5. Stand.store. Popular with influencers for simple storefronts. Easy to sell PDFs, Notion links, or courses. Each store has automatic delivery and customer support built in. You just upload your file, add a description, set the price, and you're live. Step 5. Write listings that actually sell. Your digital product won't sell if your listing is weak. You need a scroll-stopping title. Use keywords like printable meal planner, instant download PDF. SEO keywords. For Etsy or Gumroad search discovery mockups, use Canva Smart Mockups to show how the product looks. Benefits. Tell buyers exactly what they'll get and why it saves them time. What's included? Be clear about the number of files, file types, and usage. Example listing. This minimalist Notion budget planner helps you organize your monthly expenses, set savings goals, and track financial habits, all in one dashboard. Comes with easy setup instructions and lifetime access. Step 6. Price for profit and growth. Pricing depends on complexity and value. Here's a general guide. Canva templates, $7 to $15. Notion dashboards, $10 to $40. Prompt libraries, $5 to $25. Printable planners, $4 to $10. eBooks, $7 to $25. Bundle packs, $20 to $99. Mini courses, $29 to $99. Always test pricing. Start low, then raise as you get reviews and visibility. Offer, buy 2, get 1 free, or bundle deals to increase average cart value. Step 7. Market like a creator, not a salesperson. You've got a great product, now you need traffic. Start with free organic marketing. Pinterest, post 5 to 10 pins per product linking to your store. Instagram Reels and TikTok, show product use, how it helps, or behind the scenes Twitter, X, share tips, plus link to your Gumroad store. YouTube Shorts, quick demos of your templates or digital products. Email list, offer a freebie in exchange for email, then upsell. Pro tip, use AI, ChatGPT, to write social captions, tweets, or Pinterest descriptions in seconds. You can also run $2 to $5 per day ads on Etsy or Instagram to boost early traffic. Step 8. Upsell, bundle, and scale. Once you see traction, turn single templates into bundles, offer premium versions, e.g. Notion Planner Pro. Add bonuses, e.g. includes bonus content calendar template. Start selling collections, e.g. 2025 Productivity Kit. You can also create a subscription model on Gumroad or Payhip, where users get monthly downloads or updates. Step 9. Automate everything. Use Zapier to auto-add customers to your email list. Use Canva bulk creation to design batches of templates. Use Google Drive or Notion to organize files. Outsource tasks like thumbnails or mockups to Fiverr, Upwork. Use ChatGPT to update product descriptions, blog content, or SEO. The goal is to make your store a set-and-forget machine. Real income examples. Let's say you create a $12 Canva resume template and sell 5 copies per day on Etsy. 5x $12, $60 per day, $60, $30, $800 per month. With 3 to 5 products performing similarly, that's $4K to $6K per month in mostly passive income. Many creators scale even faster by reinvesting profits into ads, content, or hiring help. This is the best time to start. Selling digital products isn't just a trend, it's one of the most scalable online income models today. You don't need experience, a big following, or a huge budget. You just need creativity, the right tools, and consistency. The internet is full of people looking for shortcuts, help them solve a problem, and they'll happily pay you for it. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Money Strategies with Prince for more powerful ways to make money using digital tools and strategies. If you could create any kind of digital product today, what would it be? A template, a planner, or maybe a prompt pack? Let me know in the comments.